Hey everybody, so I got a quick haul from Walmart, got some shelving stuff, and just go through a few items. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? So I got a bunch of empty boxes in here that I need to move out. I got 3 of these from Walmart. It was 10 bucks. They're 38 piece sets. I got 2 blue, 1 red. I got 3 of these 23 by 5/8 by 10-inch shelves. Kits, which is, here's 2 of the kits. I already used 1 of the kits. 4 white shelves, 4 black shelves. These were all hyper tough. They were $4 just for the shelves, $16 for the kits. Lowe's, I got 4.5 foot rails and 6 foot rails. Which just like these rails right here. This is a setup I got going on right now for that. Just a quick update. Show you guys what's going on. I got another shelf in here. Radiator over there. What's normally in here? All these brackets as well. Grab some more brackets also. But you know, appreciate you guys' time. Just a quick video. I need to move this table. I just put a couple of my tools on it for the moment. But you know, just figured I'd show you, give you guys an update. I'm gonna be putting shelves more than likely in this corner. Might be putting another set right here. So there'll be a shelf butting up against this one, coming up to the probably right here somewhere. So I could put a couple items right here. Might be putting shelves right here on this wall. Might be putting a shelf set up there. Not sure yet. But these are just for quick shelves like that right there. More than likely, these are just I'm just gonna toss them up there just so I can use them for now. I'm more than likely gonna make custom shelves out of some 3/4 plywood probably. But appreciate you guys' time. Just a quick update. Also figured I'd show you that because while I was at Walmart also, I'll just show you what's in this bag as well. What's in this bag is I picked up at the same time I picked up the shelves. This is the new Marvels, the new Mutants movie, 4K movie. And then grabbed 2 marinators. One that's red, 2 injection needles. One that also, this one also has 2 injection needles. This one also has a cleaning brush. I'll use the cleaning brush on both of them. They're stainless marinators. Expert Grills is who makes both of them. Those are the other items I picked up at Walmart. I'll give you guys my impressions of this movie once I open it. I haven't opened it yet. Bought it yesterday. But appreciate you guys' time. You know, just a quick video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. I'm going to get a lot more barbecue stuff later. Probably going to get a caddy. We're going to get, I need to buy a griddle. And some griddle tools. Especially the steamer lids and stuff like that. But we'll do a video on that when I get them. Appreciate you guys' time. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links. my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And top of the description, I also have an Ulsa Tools link. You guys click on that link, it'll get you 10% off of your order at ulsatools.com, as well as kick me back availability to get 10% off my next purchase from Ulsa Tools. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!